If you want to see your full subscriber list on YouTube as it continues to grow, I'll show you exactly where to find it on your iPhone, Android, or a computer. However, keep in mind the person needs to accept to be able to share that subscribe with you, so you won't see every single person, just the people that make that information public. Let's jump right in. What you're going to do is first open up a web browser like Safari or Chrome. And you're going to type in the URL studio.youtube.com. You need to go directly to this website. So studio.youtube.com. And if it says get the app, make sure to hit continue in Studio. This will open up your YouTube Studio for your account. You can see at the top right, I'm just logged into my other small account. So tap on your profile and make sure you're logged into the correct one. After you've done that, you'll be able to see midway down is recent subscribers. I can tap on see all here, and you'll be able to see all of your recent subscribers. At the top right, you can tap on lifetime and just choose your subscribers in the last, say, 28 days. If you wanted to just see the ones in the last month, or you can choose lifetime if you wanted to, and get a full list of everybody that has subscribed to your YouTube channel. I hope this helps. I know you're busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me, and I'll catch you on the next one.